Next question, write the proper symbol greater than and less than in the box. So here the numbers are given 5705, here 15,705. So here 15,000 is more, so we have put it symbol like this, that is opening towards the greater number. Then next here 22,74,705, here 12,74,705. So 22 is more than 12, so we have put the greater number sign here. So in this way, if in the exam comes, write the proper symbol greater than or less than in the box. So you have to see which number is greater. So whichever number is greater, so here we are going to put the symbol in this way, so that the greater, that is the 2 opening comes on the greater numbers, near the greater number. Now next question is, we have to read and write. That is, word problems is given, we have to write it. See here, the Swayam Siddha saving groups made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swamini group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? So what is here? Number of papads made by Swayam Siddhi saving groups is 3,45,000. Number of papads made by Swabhimani group is 2,95,000. So which group has made the greater number? See the first digit, it is 3 and this is 2. So obviously Swayam Siddha group has made it. So we will write here, Swayam Siddha saving group has made more papads, that is 3,45,000. Next, children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 12 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seeds? So we are going to write here, number of seeds collected by primary school in Ahmednagar district is 2 lakh. Number of seeds collected by children of Pune district is 3,25,000. So here it is 2 lakh, here 3,25,000. So obviously who has made more, who has collected more? Pune district. So we will write here, children of Pune district has collected more seeds, that is 3,25,000. Understood? So this type of sums are there in number work. Now we will move on to the third chapter, that is addition, subtraction. Question number first is addition. So we will write here first addition, we have to do the addition. So we will write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus, we are going to start from the units place, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to do the addition, that is plus. So 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. So we'll write here 2 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3, 1. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So 3, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7 is how much? Yes, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 3, 1. And last is 3. So we get the answer as 33,33,302. Now next sum is subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. So we will write here the numbers. We will write here 2. That is 3801,213. Next, we will write from the units place. 8, 4, 6, 5. Sorry, 6, 4, 5, 7, 3 minus 3 minus 8 we cannot do, so we are going to do the borrowing. Now 8 minus 13, 13 minus 8 is how much? 5. 0, 4 we cannot do, so again we will do the borrow. We are going to take the 1 from 2, 1, and this will become 10. So it will become 6. 1 minus 6 we cannot do, again we are going to do what? Borrow. So 0, 1 will become 0 as it is giving 1 to next digit. So it will become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Here 0 minus 4 we cannot do, so we are going to borrow from the next number. Here it is already 0. So again we are going to borrow from here. So it will become 7. It will give 1 to this number. But here as we want 1 here, so we are going to take it from here. So it will become 9 and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So we get the answer 46,565. So in this chapter, addition and subtraction, we have this type of sum, that is we have to do the addition and subtraction, and we have the word problems also. See a word problem, what it is given. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were pulled all together? Pulled out all together comes, then we have to do the addition. So we have to write the statements as number of votes cast by women is 13,47,048. Number of votes cast by men 14,29,638. So number of votes polled together. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the addition. So here they have done the addition. 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 6, 6. 7 plus 9, 16. 6 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is total votes polled all together is 27,76,668. So in the addition we also have the word problems. We'll see one more sum. See here. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a treasurer for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? So here we will write statement, that is cost of tractor is 8,07,957. Cost of treasurer is 32,609. Money spent altogether, what we are going to do? We are going to do the addition. So here 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 here 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 7 plus 2, 10. So 0 here 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 and 8. So Surekha Tai spent 8,40,566 altogether. So now we are going to see the word problem of subtraction. So here it is what is given, subtraction problem first. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? So here cost of laptop is 27,450 rupees. Amount Prathamesh have is 22,957 rupees. Amount he still needs. So here we have done the subtraction. So here subtraction is 0 is there. So 0 minus 5 we cannot do. So we are going to borrow. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So again here 4 we cannot do. So we have taken 1 from here. It becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here again 3 we cannot do. So again 1 borrow. So 6 here and it will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the amount Prathamesh needs to buy the laptop is 4,475 rupees. So this is the subtraction problem. Now we'll see the last sum, which is having both addition and subtraction. So here the question 1 says, the forest department planted 23,778 trees of khair, 19,476 of behda. Besides trees are several other kinds. So forest department has planted this much number of trees. In that, khair tree is there and behda trees is also there. That is, they have planted khair trees is 23,078 and behda is 19,476. The department altogether has planted how many? 50,000 trees. So we have to find, leaving khair and behda, the several types, that is other kinds of trees, is how much. So first we are going to do the addition. See here, the number of khair trees is 23,078. Number of behda trees is 19,476. Total number of khair and behda trees is how much? We have done the addition, that is we get the answer 42,554. But they have planted how many? 50,000. So the total number of trees planted is 50,000. Total number of khair and behda trees is 42,554. Number of other trees is 50,000 and 42,000 minus 42,554. So we have done the minus here subtraction and we get the answer as 7,446 are trees which are neither khair nor behda. Now we'll see the last sum. For a 3-day cricket matches, 13,608 tickets were sold on the first day and 8,955 on the second day. If altogether 36,563 tickets were sold in 3 days, how many were sold on the third day? So here first we'll write the number of tickets sold on the first day is this much. Number of tickets sold on the second day is 8,955. Total number of tickets sold on first 2 days is, we have done the addition and we get the answer 22,563. Total number of tickets were sold is how much? 36,563. So the number of tickets sold on the third day, what we are going to do? We are going to do the subtraction, that is number of tickets sold altogether and the number of tickets sold on the first 2 days. So we get the answer here. We have done the minus here. So here 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get the answer as number of tickets sold on the third day is 14,000. So this is the way we are going to solve the sum. So in word problems you have to write the statements. So we have done the revision of first 3 chapters, that is Roman numerals, number work and addition and subtraction. In Roman numerals you have to write the Roman numbers. So if the numbers are given, you have to write that numbers in Roman numerals. In number work, numbers are given, you have to write it in words, and if it is given in words, you have to write it in figures. And the next topic is in that is what? Expanded form. If the numbers are given, you have to write in expanded form. If it is not given in the expanded form, number is given, you have to convert it into expanded form, and if expanded form is given, you have to write in numbers. And the last topic is addition and subtraction. Simple addition and simple subtraction is given, as well as the simple additions word problem is given and simple subtraction word problem is given. And the word problem, one word problem is having what? Both addition and subtraction. So with this we have done with our revision of 3 chapters: Roman numerals, number work and addition and subtraction.